All right, friends, how are you today? Aaron here with your daily horoscope for the 10th of September 2019. We've got the moon in Aquarius all day long. It's not what your country can do for you, but what you can do for your country, right? We've got all this Virgo energy reminding us to be of service to other people, right? Venus is leading the way at 25 degrees, then Mercury's at 23 degrees, the Sun's at 17, creating this opposition exactly today to Neptune. And the T-square, all right, the square to Jupiter up in Sagittarius. All right, so again, this is squaring the balance of our thoughts, the tension of this old life with new information. New information is challenging this old thoughts, old life. And if we're, trying to lead to our own expansion, what do I have to let go of, or what new stuff is coming in that's going to be challenging to me, that's going to change my perspective of life or of who I am. We could be under great change right now. And this can be, gut-wrenching, earth-shattering, completely changing us to the core. And further, when it comes down to service right now, and with the moon being in Aquarius forming this sesqui-square, I'll show you the chart, the sesqui-square over to, it's going to hit everything here, and it's again reminding us to be in service in all aspects of our life. Okay, this is where our sun meets. Okay, this is me. This is my body. Here I am in Virgo. I have to give back. I am a physical being. Okay, and I'm yet this spiritual being as well. All right. And it's the knowledge in between the two, this higher education, philosophy, having faith beyond just myself, beyond this finite body, right? That my spirit or whatever will live on, or that there's some greater good, there's some greater purpose to this, and we could be feeling that potentially we're abandoned, or there's not this greater thing, and it's like again reminding us to have faith, and further. Okay, with this sesqui-square happening here, it's not what services others are offering to you, but what services you're offering to others. And then further, it's recognizing, like, if you want to go, if you look at politics, my God, my Facebook feed is full of, like, everyone's opinion on politics. But it's like, well, what can you do where you're at? For me in this chair, I can't have a conversation with the president. There's no way that I can, where I'm at in life right now, have a sit-down conversation with the President of the United States. So I can't affect people on that level. Sure, there's this YouTube platform you can, but it's just like, no, that's not, what can I do locally? What can I do here now is the point. It's like, what can I do to reach people? What can I do for my services to offer to others? If I have a great idea that should be so big and bold to be, something that's worthy of a conversation with the president, what steps do I need to take to get there? Okay. So it's like, again, if we have this great thing, these great thoughts, these great ideas, these great ambitions, and we want to go very large with them, all right. Again, I can't have that conversation from this particular seat. So what do I have to do? What steps do I have to take in order for that conversation to take place? In order for me to truly shine, all that Leo fire energy that we had last month. So it's like all of this stuff is coming to shine. Well, we need to put it into work right now. All right. So again, what do we need to do to get to that next platform? Instead of just going from, complaining about this over here, well, what can I do locally to address these issues? Can I do something about that? And if the answer is yes, boom, that's our Tuesday. All right. So have a great Tuesday. We'll see you tomorrow.